Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my January favorites. I can't believe it's already the end of January. So if you guys want to see what I have been loving for the month, then keep watching. For the month of January, I have some lifestyle favorites and makeup favorites. So I'm just going to get the lifestyle things out of the way first. The first thing is this beanie, and it's one of those beanies where you could pull your ponytail through. I got this for Christmas and I love it. It is from Kohl's. It's from the brand So, and it is the comfiest thing ever. It's so cute. So basically you just put your hair in a ponytail and then you pull it through this hole right here, and you could pull it open, I guess, depending on like how thick your hair is, and then you just tie it up with this little bow or the string. I tied in a little bow so it looks cute, but this is what it looks like on. It's just really cute and like slouchy in the back. It's super comfy, keeps you so warm. I wore it to Six Flags. You guys know we go to Six Flags a lot, but this kept me nice and warm for holiday in the park, and I really enjoyed it. Next up is a eucalyptus essential oil and my essential oil diffuser. If you saw my FabFitFun unboxing for winter, you may remember the essential oil, and I didn't think I was going to use the essential oils, to be completely honest, but this eucalyptus one has been getting a lot of use for this winter weather, giving me nice disgusting colds. I will put some of drops in the here. This is a Molly rediffuser. I think that's how you say it, Molly. I got this from Five Below, so it was $5. You can plug it in, or you can put, I think it was like AAA batteries. I just plug it in, so I can't turn it on for you guys, but you can put a lamp on and it just changes colors. It's really relaxing actually, and you just put a couple drops in here in this little silver thing. I'm sorry, mine's like dusty, I'm a mess, but this eucalyptus has been so good. It honestly helps with like clearing up your nose and all that stuff. This you can put on your body as well, so I'll put at night sometimes like a little underneath my nose, kind of like you would do with Vicks, and it seriously helps. Highly recommend eucalyptus oil for cold season. Shout out to my friend Evie, because she commented on my FabFitFun video and told me that's what she does for her and her daughter and her boyfriend, and she's totally right. Thank you, Evie, for that suggestion. You have saved me this cold season. But I highly recommend this as well because it's amazing. I'll link, as usual, everything down below in the description box. I don't know if I'll be able to find this though, because like I said, it is from Five Below, and Five Below doesn't have like a actual website, but I'll see if they have it. Like I said, this was $5. I plug it into the wall. It has like a little USB port, or you plug it in here, but it's like a USB thing, so it fits in an iPhone charger. And yeah, these two things, lifesavers for cold season. The rest of my favorites are all beauty products. So first I have the BH Cosmetics BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. You may remember in my BH haul that I did a couple months back, I'll leave a link down below for it, I got a sample of this foundation and I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but I loved the sample and I went out to Ulta to buy the full size. Now, in Ulta, they don't really have a whole lot of shades, so if you can't find your shade, obviously go on the BH website. And even online, like some of the shades, it didn't look like the whole shade range was there to me, but I could be wrong. But I am in the shade Light Olive, and I thought it was going to be too dark. I'm not wearing it today, obviously, because I don't know why. I'm wearing my Pro Glow, but this shade is like a perfect match for me. I don't have any problems with it, like oxidizing or anything. I think it holds up very nicely throughout the day, and I love the finish. It's just a nice natural finish, and you can definitely build up the coverage with this. I would say it's like a medium, but I use a beauty blender sponge thing, so I would say it's a medium coverage, but it's still amazing. and you guys should totally check it out. Next, I have two eyeshadow palette favorites. The first one is the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. I picked up this palette after watching another one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is Raven, and she was talking about this palette and she was raving about it. And I was like, is it really that good? Because if you guys may remember, I used to have the Maybelline The Rock Nudes palette and I hated it. The shades were the worst. It was literally the worst palette I've ever owned in my life. And she was like, no, you should try it. It's really good. So literally the next day I went to Walmart and I needed to get eyeliner, so I decided to just look for this palette anyway. And this was like the last one there. So I picked it up and I love this palette. I've used it only once in one tutorial and I did another look with it and I posted on Instagram, but these shades are amazing. I'm definitely going to do a full dedicated swatch and review video for this, but it is so good. And it smells, I don't know what it smells like, but it has a scent and I can't figure it out, like something from my childhood, and I just can't like pinpoint it. But the shades in here are really pretty. They're really creamy and really blendable. And yeah, just stay tuned for my review because I really want to try to use up all the shades. I've used up most of them so far. I just want to use every single shade so I can give you guys a good review. The next palette I'm going to talk about that I've been loving lately is the ColourPop Chasing Rainbows palette. First of all, I love the packaging of this. I love like the iridescent look, the blue and the pink and the purple. Really like that. It just reminds me of like cotton candy. Then I just love all the shades inside. I really like that you could do neutral looks, colorful looks, neutral with a pop of color. There's just endless possibilities with this look, or with this palette, which I really like. I like the balance between matte shades and shimmer shades. I think that's really awesome. The shadows are very easy to work with. They're blendable, they're creamy, they're super duper pigmented. I really like them a lot. I also really like that the names are underneath the pans, which is very helpful. I don't, however, understand why they're on the back as well. I just think that's a little weird. But other than that, I really love this palette. Again, palette review, and I'm going to do some tutorials with this palette as well in February, so stay tuned for those. The last eye product I have to share with you guys is the CoverGirl So Lashy Blessed Pro Mascara. Alright, I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. This is 100% expired. It's been sitting in my drawer for the longest time, but I got this from Influenster a really long time ago in a really great Vox box, and this was like the one thing that I hated in that Vox box. And I think because it's been sitting in my drawer for so long, kind of just like, you know, marinating, the formula got a little melted and a little, I don't know like how to describe it, but the formula got better somehow. But the brush is what I really like the most. So it looks a little clumpy right now, but it's kind of a clumpy mascara. But it has that ball at the end, and that ball is really good for separating your lashes. I really like that about this. So I do not use this alone. I normally put a mascara underneath and then use this on top to really separate the lashes. That's what this is best for. It's not a good like use alone mascara, but otherwise it's a good mascara and I really like it. Like I said, I hated it at first, but after using it again a little bit more, I really like it. Next up are 4 ColourPop lippies that I have been loving lately. These are just 4 lippies that I've been gravitating the most the past month since I made my ColourPop order. So the first 2 that I'm going to talk about are from I Love Sarahi ColourPop little box that I got. And so the first one is the Ultra Satin Lip, and this is in the shade 951. It's just a nice nude color right there. It's very pretty. I love it for every day. And then the next one is the lip gloss in Curvy, which I really like. I didn't think I was gonna like it because it's so pale, but on its own it's really pretty, and on top of 951 it is gorgeous. So that is Curvy right here. And then the last two glosses that I got are both from the ColourPop and Delilah collab. This is the Make a Wish one. So the first one is New Day. And again, I didn't think I would like this because of how light it is and because there's a little bit of a glitter in it, but it is really pretty. It's just a nice sheer gloss and it just makes your lips look nice and juicy. Love that about this. And then the second one that I got from that same collab is JJ, which this is just a nice, pretty, like your lip but better color. And again, it just makes your lips look juicy and awake and hydrated, which I really, really like. The next product I have to mention is a nail product, and it is the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals, I think that's how you say it, Makeover Peptide Infused Concealer and Treatment. So basically what this is a nail treatment. All you have to do is apply 2 coats to your nails, and you can use it as a base coat or you can just leave it be. I've done it both ways. And this really, really works. If you remember my last favorites video, I mentioned that I was doing gel nails, and because I like to pick everything off, I picked them all off and my nails get a little damaged from that. So I like to go in with this to just repair my nails, kind of just in between polishes. And this is so amazing. My nails are so strong. After a couple of days too, it's really crazy how fast this works. It's so good. I really, really like it and highly recommend it if you do gels or just at home gel nails and just want to give your nails a break and kind of just like let them repair. This will be your best friend. And that is it for my January favorites. Let me know in the comments down below what products you've been loving for the month of January. I would love to know. Let's chat. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see, then let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!